See, in this question we have to calculate I1, I2 and I. For I1, what is the formula according to Ohm's law? That is V by R, right? So this is the combination of R and L, so we can consider V by Z1. So this is I1, so we can consider this one as Z1, right? And this one we can consider it as Z2, right? Now we should know what is the value of Z1. As you can see that they have given in the rectangular form, and I told you rectangular form is in the form of R plus JXL. So what is the value of R here? R is for resistance, that is 3 ohm, J as it is, and XL is already given, that is 4 ohm. So can we write Z1 as 3 plus J4? Tell me. Similarly, can you tell me for the value of Z2? Z2 is again in the form of R plus JXL. So 6 plus J8. That is the value of Z2. Okay. Any doubt up to here? So I1 value is V by Z1. Voltage is how much? 250, right? Now no angle is given, so if they have given nothing angle, then we can consider it as 0. Okay, if they have mentioned any angle, then we have to consider that angle only. If they didn't mention any angle, we can consider by our own 0. And Z1 is how much? 3 plus J4, correct? Any doubt up to here? Now see, this is in the rectangular form, right? And we have to do division. I told you for multiplication and division, we need which form? Polar form, correct? We need which form? Polar form. So can we convert this rectangular form into a polar form? Tell me. Can we convert this rectangular form into a polar form? Convert it into a calculator. How can we convert rectangular form? This is in the rectangular form, that is 3 plus J4, and you need to convert it into polar form. Press shift, right? Then pole, right? Then you need to convert 3 plus J4 now. So write down in bracket, that is pole 3 comma 4, right? Then tell me what is the value. R is equal to 5 you got, and angle is equal to 53.13, right? So now can we solve it? I1 is equal to real term is divided by the real term, so that would be 50. Angle in the division angle would be subtracted, so that would be 0 minus 53.1. Okay, so if we'll further solve it, what will get the value of I1? I1 is equal to how much? That is 50 angle minus 53.1. Got it? Similarly, can we get the value of I2? I2 is again V by Z2. V is how much? 250 angle 0. And Z2 is how much? 6 plus J8. Right? So, Smarth, tell me what is the value after what is the value in the polar form? 250 angle 0. Again this is in the rectangular form, we have to convert it into polar form, right, for division purpose. So if we'll convert it, you will get 10 angle 53.13. So if we'll solve it further, we'll get 25 angle minus 53.13. Okay, now tell me any doubt up to here. We got I1, we got I2, right? So now next what we need to calculate? I, as you know, I is equal to I1 plus I2, right? Because I is divided into two forms, I1 plus I2, if you'll apply KCL here, right? So I1 value we already know, I2 value we also know. I2 is 25 angle minus 53.13. I1 value how much we got? That is 50 angle minus 53.13, right? So we need to do addition, and for addition we need which form? rectangular form. So this is in which form? Polar form. So we need to convert this polar form into a rectangular form. Okay. And how can you convert? Again, press on shift, and then you need to convert it into rectangular form, so you need to press rec. Okay, rec bracket 50 minus, if there is a minus you have to write down minus only, then you will write down 50, like rec 50 comma minus 53.13. Now can you tell me what is the value in the rectangular form, what we got it? X is 30, y is 40. So can we write down 30 minus j 40? Similarly, can we convert this into a rectangular form? Convert it and then tell me the value. That is rec 25 comma minus 53.13. How much it is? 505015. Okay. Then minus j 20. Okay. Now we can further solve it. Real term is added with the real term. We got 45 minus imaginary term is added with the imaginary term 60. That is the value of I we got. Final value of current. Some students ask what would be the final value in the form, which form. So final value of current should be in the polar form. Okay. So now further this is in the rectangular form and you can convert it into the polar form. Right? Next, what we need to calculate? Power, right? You know the formula of power. Power is equal to VI cos phi, right? Voltage we know. In the power, just remember we don't consider angle, only the magnitude. Voltage is how much? 250. And current we got it. Convert this in a rectangular form into a polar form. Tell me what would be the value of final current? Convert by using calculator, that is pole, again shift and pole, 45 comma minus 60. Tell me what value you got for the current. Minus 150 minus 53.1, right? So we got angle current is how much? 70, what you said? 75, and angle is minus 53.1, right? So current magnitude is how much? That is 75. Okay, cos phi. Phi is the angle between voltage and current. Voltage angle is how much? If we'll draw it by the phasor diagram, voltage angle is how much? 0 degree, and current angle is in the negative form. You can see that minus 53.13. So it should be in the downward form. So that is current, this is voltage. So the angle between voltage and current is how much? That is 53.13. So phi is how much? That is 53.13. Can we solve it through the calculator? We know V, we know I. Again, I am telling you that you don't need to use angle in the power. Okay, you have to use phi value here only. So after solving it, you will get the final value of power, that would be in the watt.